Automatic deviation correction. Multifunctional hot stamping fusing transfer machine. This machine used for all kinds of fabrics. Lining shrinkage process of drain ironing. Applied to the shoe material factory bonding essential professional equipment. Multi-function control panel. Digital time and temperature controls easy to operation. The machine is equipped with automatic correcting deviations device. Bell deflection will be automatically corrected. Upper and lower bells do not deviate from each other. You can adjust the pressure via the spiral pressure device. The machine is equipped with an automatic switch-off function. Automatic switch-off when the temperature drops to 60 degrees. You were to move a reactor pattern if emergency happens. You can press stop button. Double cleaning device. Operation demo. Turn on main switch. Turn on machine. Set speed. Set bottom temperature. Set top temperature. Wait for the temperature to reach the set temperature value and then operate. Place T-shirt. Put vinyl. Start to do heat press. Remove the vinyl. Process is done.